Hi everyone, you are watching a video tutorial on online IT profession. In this video, I will tell you how to reduce the size of logical volume. In previous video, you have learned how to increase or extend the size of logical volume, that is F. So first type the command to verify the file system with logical volumes. df space dash h capital T. Here you see that the logical volumes are root, app and db. Boot is a fixed volume with the file system extension code. Okay, in this video we will reduce the size of logical volume db. That one. So first unmount the logical volume db by type the command umount space / db. db is the mount point. Just press enter. The logical volume db has mounted. For check the logical volume db is successfully mounted or not, type the command df space dash h capital T. Okay, here you see that the logical volume db has successfully unmounted. Okay, to verify the error after unmount the logical volume db, type the command e2fsck space dash ff space /def space /def /cl underscore CentOS7 dash resize dash lvm /db. This is the whole path of logical volume db. Okay, first check the logical volume path. Type the command lv display. Okay, here you see the logical volume db complete path is def /cl underscore CentOS7 dash resize dash lvm /db. Okay, just copy the command and put on the putty by just right click. The command is e2fsck space dash ff space /def /cl underscore CentOS7 dash resize dash lvm /db. Just press enter. Here you see that there is no error. Okay, okay, just type the command df space dash ht again. Okay, previously we almost typed the command for db, that one. Okay, here you see that the size of db is 2 GB. The size of db is 2 GB. Reduce the size of db just 500 MB, that is 548 MB almost, because 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. So just multiply 2 into 1024, that is almost 1024 multiply by 2, that is 204. If we give the size, if we give new size to db, logical volume db 1500, just minus 1500, so 548 MB will be reduced from the logical volume db. Okay, that one. So after check the errors, type the command of resize for logical volume db. The command is resize 2fs space /dev/cl underscore CentOS 7 dash resize dash lvm /db space 1500 m. It means we are reducing the size of logical volume db from 2 to 1500 m. Previously the logical volumes or db size is 2 GB. After reduction the logical volume size will be 1500 m. Just press enter. The result is resizing this file system dev cl underscore CentOS 7 dash resize dash lvm db to 384,000 blocks. The file system is now 384,000 blocks long. So after resize the logical volume db, type the command reduction command, reduce command. So for reduce command is lv reduce space dash l space dash 548m. 548m is, we have previously the logical volume size is 2 GB and we have decided the logical volume size of db will be 1500 m. So total size is 2 GB and after reduction the size 1500 m is the size of db. So just minus 2 GB 1500 m into 2048 m, yani means 2 multiplied by 1024 is 2048. 2048 minus 1500 m, just minus 548 m. M means mega. So reduce the logical volume size of db. First resize the logical volume size db to 1500 m. We have decided 1500 mega size will be the size of db, and total size before resizing is 200 m, 2048, total 2048 db size. So 2048 minus 1500, the reduced size is 548 m, that we have calculated earlier. So the complete command of reduction after resize is lv reduce space dash l space dash 548 m space /dev /cl underscore 7 dash resize dash lvm /db. Okay, this is the volume group total. This is the volume group and this is the logical volume. db is the logical volume. Okay, after type the complete command lv reduce space dash l space dash 548 m space the complete path of logical volume db, just press enter. Okay, here the result is resizing the file system dev cl underscore CentOS 7 dash resize dash lvm db to 384,000 blocks. The file system is now 384,000 blocks long. So after type the command lv reduce space dash l space dash 548 /dev /cl underscore CentOS 7 dash resize dash lvm /db, it gives a warning reducing active logical volume to 1.48 GB. This may destroy your data. So just press Y. Okay, the size of logical volume cl underscore CentOS 7 dash resize dash lvm db. db is the logical volume and cl underscore 7 dash resize dash lvm is a volume group. Size 2.02 GB and now its size changed from 2.02 means 2 GB almost to 1.48 GB. Okay, after reduce the logical volume size db, check the file system error. Again type the resize command that is resize 2fs, that used for extension 4 file system to reduce the logical volume sizes, or in almost you can say that for increase the size of logical volume, this command is also used. So type command for reduce the size. After reduce the size, type this command for to check the file system error. Resize 2fs space /cn underscore cento 7 dash resize dash ldm /db. This is the volume group and this is the logical volume db. Okay, just press enter. The result is resizing the file system is okay, there is no error. To mount the logical volume db again to the mount point db, just press enter. The logical volume db has successfully mounted. To check the logical volume db has successfully mounted, type the command df space dash hd, df space dash h capital D. You see that the logical volume db has successfully mounted to its file system, and the size is now 1.4 GB from 2.0 GB. Previously its size is 2.0 GB. That okay. So another command to check the logical volume size, type just lb display or lb display space this volume group. This is a volume group. Just press enter. Here you see the logical volume db size is now 1.48 GB. Previously its size was 2 GB. Okay, that's the whole demonstration of how to reduce the logical volume db. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.